Today we are going to review Wanderlog. Now, Wanderlog is the travel planner that brings together itinerary building, mapping, collaboration, and more. Whether you're road tripping, backpacking, or planning a multi-city adventure, Wanderlog is fully functional and offers a free version. Let's break it down. So let's look at some of the core features. You have an all-in-one itinerary builder, so you can plan every part of your trip, from flights and hotels to attractions and restaurants. Add them manually, forward confirmation emails, or connect your Gmail to import details automatically. Easily visualize your itinerary on a map and map your routes. Another great feature is group collaboration. You can invite friends to co-edit your itinerary in real time. It's perfect for roommates, road companions, or family trips. So if you use the Pro version, you also get offline access. So you'll have full offline viewing to ensure you can access your entire plan even without an internet connection. Ideal for remote areas or international travel on a budget. Speaking of budgets, we have budget and expense tracking. So you can set your trip budget, log expenses, and even split costs with group members easily. All built into the app. No need for a separate tool. So you might be asking yourself, are the premium perks worth it? The free version of Wanderlog covers almost everything you need, but if you're curious about what the Pro subscription, which costs $39.99 a year, or you can pay a monthly fee of $16.99 a month, this is exactly what you'll get with that subscription. So as I mentioned earlier, offline mode and Google Maps export, an AI assistant and route optimization, Gmail automation and booking imports, unlimited attachments, dark mode in the app, and being able to add places from anywhere on the web. Many travelers feel the free tier does deliver incredible value, but Pro adds tons of convenience, but may not always be worth the price if you already use mobile data and prefer manual control. So, our final thoughts on Wanderlog. If you're a traveler who values visual planning, collaboration, and ease of use, Wanderlog is one of the best free trip planning apps. Pro definitely ups the convenience factor, but the free option already delivers remarkably rich functionality. Let us know in the comments, are you team free or considering going Pro, and why? Hit like, hit subscribe, and share your dream destinations below as well.